Well, today we're going to be able to recover our device. We're going to unlock it without needing to use it. Without deleting anything, without losing any information, without needing to take it to a technician. A very easy and simple process that you have to apply to be able to solve and recover this device in the easiest and fastest way. Without losing information, without losing anything. To delete a file, as we can see here, our device is completely locked with this screen lock that we had forgotten. Having said all that, if you forgot your screen lock, you can solve it with this process. The first thing we're going to do is go to this little gear icon that appears here. We're going to keep scrolling down, go down, tap the gear icon here, tap it again. Go back in for a third time, and if you can, see the blinking here, that's the error message. Now we're going to click on these two options. Let's see if it lets us access it from this option. We're going to keep clicking, we're going to make it give us an error. Scroll down, tap here, and tap the gear icon both at the same time. If you can see, we'll keep doing it. Well, if we see that doesn't happen, then what we're going to do is press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And restart our phone. We're going to restart it. Now that it shows our phone's logo, we're going to press the button, volume down. Let's wait for the logo to appear. Now, hold down the volume down button, don't let go. Hold down this volume down button to see if it lets us directly access our device since we've made those mistakes. We'll keep pressing it until it takes us directly to the home screen. Don't release this volume down button. Once it takes us directly to the home screen, we'll do the following process. Keep holding it, don't let go so this process can work. Keep holding it. Do. And let go. This should take us directly to the home screen. Now that it takes us directly to the home screen, we're going to do the following settings. Pay close attention. Here it is, which takes us to the home screen. As you can see, we haven't enabled this function that appears here. Okay, now what we're going to do is scroll down and select the gear icon. Select the gear icon, everything works here. This gives us that option, and now we're going to scroll down. We have to do it quickly. We tap where it says Applications, then Manage, where all the applications are. We're going to do the following. Let's hold it, sorry, let's go back. Let's click here where all the applications are, let's go, let's look. We'll look here and find this screen lock, and what we're going to do is uninstall it. We uninstall it, then we restart it again and wait for our phone to restart. And you'll see the result. Now, automatically, our device will be completely recovered and ready to use. And to add a new screen lock, well, here it is starting. Leave in the comments what you thought of our video tutorial, if it worked correctly for you. Let's see. And as we can see, it's now completely recovered in the easiest and fastest way without needing to take it to a technician.